Okay, hi everyone. Today I would like to present about tracing a Motus partitioning algorithm. Okay, first of all, we need to start with the pivot. Okay, the pivot is the S. S is at number of 4 and I is at number of 1. Okay, firstly we need to check whether the I is less than or equal to the pivot. So if the I, we need to move until the I is less than or equal to the pivot. So as you can see here, I is less than 4, which is 1 is less than 4. We need to stop there. Then we need to move the S to the number of 1 and the I to the number of 10. So we need to check whether it less than pivot or equal to the pivot, which is number of 4. So as you can see, 10 is smaller than 4, 8 also smaller than 4, 7 also smaller than 4, 12 also smaller than 4, 9 also smaller than 4, and 2 is smaller than 4. So we need to stop and swap. Okay. So as you can see, 2 is smaller than 4, which is the pivot. We need to swap with the S plus 1. This is the S and this is S plus 1. So we need to swap with the number of 10. Okay, next, as you can see, we already swapped this one to this one. So the answer is 4, 1, 2, 8, 7, 12, 9, 10, 15. Okay, so now the I is moved to the 15. So 15 is more than pivot, which is number of 4. So we no need to swap or stop. Okay, then we move to this one. S is at 2, so we need to swap with the pivot. Okay, we need to swap, and the last answer is like this. Okay, next is tracing horse partition. Okay, firstly we see the pivot first. Okay, the pivot is number of 5 and I is number 3. So I will need to move to the right and J will need to move to the left, and J is number 7. Okay, for I we need to move until I more or equal to the pivot, and J we need to move until J less than equal to the pivot. So as you can see at this one, I is move until 6 is more than the pivot, and J also move until the 3 is less than the pivot. So we need to swap between I and J. So this I and J is swap until we get this one. 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 7. Okay, now the I just now I is here, right? So we need to move the I to here, and I is at number of 4, and now J is here, so J will be moved to here, number of 1. So as you can see there, I is more than J, so J need to be swapped with the pivot. So we need to swap this J with the pivot, and then we swap number 1 to the number of 5, and number 5 will be moved to the number of 1. So the final answer is like this: 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.